Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Model Garage videos, and this is the next one I'm going to build for YouTube on here, and start a little model movement here saying hashtag build a vintage kit. So I know you all seen the review of this kit, but let's do one more look at the parts. So let's start off with that great looking box art right here. Got 2 of 1 versions. Nice two-tone one there. Nice little talking to about it. It's a 1988 molded kit. Made in USA. Yes, that's good. And we got the directions right here. Small book style. And we have the parts. Beautiful red body. Very strong and sturdy. You have the glass all wrapped in plastic here. And you got the engine, hood, and the deep, deep, deep interior. You got that. You got the bench seat. And we have a chassis right here. And we have either a custom header or a stock header. And we have the engine parts, optional body parts, steering wheel parts, suspension parts, front, rear, dashboard, and other stuff on here. Only thing I don't see what this actually goes with this is it comes with these newer Goodyear radial tires, but it's kind of cool. It kind of fits the build era of the cars from the 80s, this version at least. So, and here we have the chrome sheet with what I would say has the most beautiful hood ornaments. It has this bird right here. And you have some antennas. You got the grill, front grill area. And you have those nice looking Chevy hubcaps, which I don't know, I'm a favorite for those. You got the chrome dress up kit for the engine and the stone guards, and you have custom taillights on this and custom wheels. You also have custom grill or stock grill. You have the hood, the back and front emblems. Then you have some custom mirrors, a custom shifter. So a lot of good custom parts. So this is going to be my next YouTube build, and I canceled the Lost in the 50s group build since for lack of interest in it. But if any of you guys on YouTube there that want to take the idea and run with it, go ahead. You have my blessing. All right. Thanks for watching. I thank all my subscribers, new and old, and for watching my channel. I'm working on making some new shop cards. So, because I know my last one's for around Christmas time. So I'm working on doing that. And I'll let you know when I get some new ones. And thanks for watching. And have a great Memorial Day today. Or weekend. So, and hopefully you're not stuck behind a desk working. Or anything like that. And remember, not the ones that went to war. Or went into the service or whatever. But the ones that didn't come back. So they're still with you, and there are a lot out there. So, and have a great day, and it's gonna be warm today. So, and that's a rare thing in Ohio. So have a great day, and have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.